Welcome back to Architectural Harvest. If you're dreaming of transforming your small kitchen into a space that's both functional and beautiful, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be sharing creative small kitchen design ideas that will help you make the most of every inch of space. We know that most of us are tight on space, but that doesn't mean you can't have a stunning kitchen. Let's dive into some tips and tricks that will make your small kitchen feel spacious and efficient. One, use smaller and compact appliances. Consider opting for space-saving appliances. For example, refrigerators that are 24 inches deep instead of the standard 30 inches can free up valuable space. Hanging microwaves under cabinets can also save precious counter space. 2. Make use of the center of your kitchen. Creating an island in the center can provide additional storage and workspace. It's convenient from any spot in the kitchen and can serve multiple purposes. Three, create the illusion of more space with lighting. Proper lighting can make a world of difference. Under cabinet lighting or under counter lighting can make the kitchen appear larger and more inviting. 4. Incorporate open shelving. Open shelving can reduce visual weight and create a sense of expansiveness. Choose floating shelves for a sleek look. Five, use illusion tactics. Make your kitchen appear longer with floor tiles placed on a diagonal. This simple trick can make the space feel larger than it is. Six, replace solid cabinet doors with glass ones. Glass fronts lighten the look of cabinetry and allow the eye to travel through to the back, making the kitchen seem more expansive. Just remember to keep the interiors uncluttered. 7. Flood the space with light. Whether your kitchen is done in pale colors or dark ones, natural light can help it feel as large as possible. Keep window treatments simple or eliminate them entirely to let the sun in. Eight, storage matters. Install deeper counters to accommodate more appliances and increase your workspace. This can help keep your counters clear and organized. Nine, use a pull-out cabinet. Pull-out cabinets can serve as dual-purpose storage and workspaces. They can be moved to the center of the kitchen when needed and put away to save space. 10. Remove clutter. Focus on a few standout items and necessities. Keep counters, shelves, and cabinets free from clutter to avoid a cramped look. Consider a galley kitchen design. In a galley kitchen, cabinets and appliances line up on either side of a corridor. This design can be very efficient for small spaces. 12. Paint cabinets. The same color as the walls. Using a single hue for cabinetry and walls erases visual boundaries, making the space feel larger. Don't be afraid to go dark. Deep tones can recede visually, creating the impression of more space. 13. Direct the eye. Upward. Use patterns and visual elements that guide the gaze toward the ceiling. Vertical lines can lend the impression of greater height. 14. Recess, storage. Tuck a pantry, shelving, or cabinets flush with the wall to keep from obstructing the kitchen's flow. This can be an easy retrofit between wall studs. 15. Choose furnishings with a small footprint. Select petite islands, slim chairs, streamlined stools, and narrow tables. Avoid chunky furniture legs or thick bases to keep the space feeling open. 16. Design with clean lines. Opt for tailored and sleek elements over ornate and fussy details. Clean lines can make the kitchen feel more spacious and less cluttered. 'We hope these tips inspire you to create your dream kitchen, no matter how small your space may be. Remember, it's all about making smart design choices that maximize your space and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design inspirations. Share your small kitchen design ideas in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.